Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a hot topic, the most profitable animals for your farm. If you're considering starting an animal-based business or simply looking to maximize your profits, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore the top contenders: cows, goats, pigs, rabbits, sheep, buffaloes, yaks, camels, donkeys, and horses. Let's get started. Cow. First up, we have cows. These gentle giants have been a cornerstone of agriculture for centuries. Cows are known for their milk and meat production. Dairy farming, in particular, can provide a stable income through milk sales and dairy products. Additionally, beef cattle can be profitable if you have access to a strong market for beef. Goat. Next on our list are goats. These versatile creatures offer various revenue streams. Whether you are selling their meat, milk, or fiber, such as cashmere, goats can be a profitable choice. Goat meat, also known as chavo or cabrito, has high demand in many cultures. Goat milk and cheese products can also fetch a good price in certain markets. Pigs. Now let's talk about pigs. These intelligent and social animals are primarily raised for their meat, pork. The global demand for pork products remains high, making pig farming a potentially profitable venture. However, it's important to consider factors such as feed costs and market fluctuations to ensure profitability. Rabbit. Moving on to rabbits. Rabbit farming might surprise you as a profitable endeavor. Their meat, often called chavo or rabbit meat, is gaining popularity due to its lean and tender characteristics. Moreover, rabbits reproduce quickly, allowing for a continuous production cycle and potential profits. Sheep. Now, let's discuss sheep. These woolly wonders offer a range of income opportunities. Their wool can be sold or used for various crafts, and their meat, known as lamb or mutton, is in high demand. Sheep farming can be profitable, especially if you focus on specialized breeds or niche markets. Buffalo. Next, we have buffaloes. These sturdy animals are mainly known for their milk production. Buffalo milk is richer in fat and protein than cow's milk, making it a sought-after ingredient for dairy products such as cheese, butter, and yogurt. If you're in a region where buffalo farming is common, it can be a profitable choice. Yaks. Now, let's explore yaks. These hardy animals are adapted to mountainous regions and have multiple income streams. Yak milk, meat, and fiber, which can be used to produce luxurious wool, are all potential sources of profit. The unique characteristics of yaks make them valuable in specific markets, especially those seeking traditional or exotic products. Camels. Moving on to camels. These desert dwellers have long been associated with trade and transportation, but they also offer profitable opportunities. Camel milk, known for its nutritional value, is gaining popularity in health-conscious markets. Camel meat and products derived from their hair and hides can also generate income. Donkey. Now, let's talk about donkeys. These hard-working and loyal animals have served humans for centuries. While not as common for commercial farming, donkeys can still be profitable in certain contexts. They can be used for transportation, as well as for their milk, hides, and byproducts such as donkey milk soap. Horse. Lastly, we have horses. While horses are often associated with recreational activities and equestrian sports, they can also be a profitable investment. Horse breeding, training, and sales can be lucrative, especially if you focus on specialized breeds or disciplines. Conclusion. There you have it. We have explored some of the most profitable animals for your farm or business. Remember, profitability can vary based on factors such as market demand, costs, and location. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your specific circumstances before making a decision. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.